Entering where the glass bottom boats are, but there aren't any out here.
This is the boil, the main head springs of the river.
Okay, well, a lot of fish jumping. Yeah, there they are. Yeah, so this
Turn here and head downstream for the next 3 hours.
Later.
There's the glass bottom boats.
Yep. I went with my parents years ago.
There's one of the glass bottom boats out on the river.
And the kids.
There's one out there.
Yep.
You have to yield to the right of way to these glass bottom boats.
Shoot.
Pretty river.
It is.
This is an all downstream trip on the Silver Springs River. And today is May 17th, 2017.
Downstream over there. Beautiful river, beautiful day.
You hear it?
He's on. Look.
Gator.
I hear him. Nope. Oops, I'm sorry. He's like behind this set of. Did you see it? There's Reese's monkeys. Oh, there's one right there. Did you get it over there?
Yep.
And this one sitting in the tree up here, Don?
Oh yeah, I seen there.
Okay, I didn't know. You didn't tell me.
There's this guy sitting right at the edge over here.
I know, I got it ready. Shoot. Shoot. There's one up in the tree there. Way up. A little baby. Did you see it?
Yeah, it was a fish that came up to the surface.
Oh.
Nope, I didn't see anything down there either.
Nope. Out west.
Look at these ducks on our left.
But he was in a canoe.
Oh, really? Oh, my goodness. Well,
It wasn't really intentional.
Wow, look at these. They're so beautiful. Look at the coloring. See it? They're gorgeous. They're like wood ducks. Maybe they're wood ducks.
I love all these cypress along the shore too. Cypress trees. There's a couple more on the other side that look real pretty too.
Just a really pretty river. Oh, look at the turtles along here, Don.
Oh yeah.
Some personal. Just for our viewing pleasure. There you go. There's a turtle swimming under the water. Right in front of me. As long as it's not a gator, I'm happy. There it is. Yep, we got
Little
some
baby
more
monkey there
monkeys
between
on
the trees.
bank.
There's somebody like in there, kind of in the shallows there. Can I see it falling from the head?
That's enough. Monkey business.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another one over there.
Oh, right there, look at the baby. Right there, trying to get some water. Look at him. Hey.
Oh, yeah, look at the little. There's a rich one here too. Look at that.
Into the water. Yes. Going through the jungle.
Halfway there. We'll be back down at the end of this by probably 2:30 maybe. Started out 10.
Oh, Don, it's a gator. It's a gator, Don. Oh my God, Don.
Was it close?
He was just under me.
He went down to the bottom.
Oh my God. He's right there in the middle. I didn't like that.
No, he almost went directly under us.
That, Don. We're supposed to stay away. Oh, freak out. Oh. Did you build that?
Huh?
Did you build that?
Oh no, they said it like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Take a bike right on the river, huh?
Yeah. Easy way, yeah. Bang.
Well,
They say there's some, oh, I see him up there. There's some monkeys up there.
Climbing. So they said back in the 30s they bought these monkeys here.
They got loose and they've been here ever since. Don't get too close to the shore. We don't want them jumping on us.
I want to take a picture of them though, Don. I want to get
Okay.
really close.
There's one at the base of the tree.
Where?
Oh, he went behind the tree.
Right there. Shoot. I got it in my. There's a bunch of those. Come on.
Oh, there's one right there.
Shoot. Shoot. Did you build that?
Huh?
Did you build
Oh
that?
no, they said it like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Take a bike right on the river, huh?
Yeah. Easy way, yeah. Bang.
I was feeding at the water's edge. Some other, I don't know what that one is. Just name everyone that's here. We don't have everybody in sight.
Finishing the day by having lunch in the park. And this is this boil where Silver Springs originates.
Well, in Wekiva, where we used to live, we used to live right near Wekiva State Park. And I would go to, I taught at Wekiva Elementary, okay? And he would go every day while I'm working, go for a walk all the way around Wekiva State Park, hiking the trails, and at the end go for swim in the spring.
Yeah,
So that was his day.
that's how I knew where Zoe would, because I remember the year when we went.
Mm-hmm.